Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can change the width margin of a strip in your Wix website. If you've ever wanted more control over your site layout, making your content feel perfectly balanced and visually appealing, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust the margins of any strip element in Wix, so your site looks polished and professional. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix web design dashboard. Just log in and open up the site you'd like to edit. Wix's editor is fairly intuitive, so take a moment to get comfortable with the interface if you're new. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with a variety of options. Go ahead and select Add Elements. This is where you can basically build any part of your website, from strips to buttons, images, and more. Next, we're going to work with the strip element. Click on Strip, and you'll be presented with several templates. These strips are really useful for creating sections on your website that stand out. Think of them as big horizontal blocks that can hold text, images, videos, and so on. Choose any template that fits your vision. For this demonstration, feel free to pick a simple one, since our main focus is on adjusting the width margins, not the content itself. Once you've added your strip to the page, take a look at the formatting options that pop up. You'll see an option called Stretched. This is an important feature. It determines how the strip stretches across your page. Click on the Stretched option, and you'll notice some controls for margins. This is where the magic happens. These margin settings allow you to decide how much space sits on either side of your strip, so it doesn't always have to stretch edge to edge unless you want it to. Now, here's a key detail. You'll see two options for margin settings: Screen and Page. Let's break down what each one means so you can make the best choice for your design. If you select Screen, you're telling Wix to set the margins based on the actual screen size the visitor's using. That means the content will adapt dynamically, so whether your visitor is using a huge desktop monitor or a tiny smartphone, the margins will maintain the same space relative to the screen. This is especially helpful if you want your content to look consistent no matter what device someone uses. Alternatively, you can choose Page. This tells Wix to pull the margins directly from the width of the grid lines you see in the editor. So your content will stick exactly within those predefined boundaries, not reaching the edge of the screen, but instead staying neatly organized in the page's set layout grid. If you're looking for a structure that matches your overall site's design, this might be the way to go. Now, take a few moments to adjust your margins. You'll see slider controls or input boxes. Just drag or enter numbers until your strip looks the way you want. Don't worry if it takes a little trial and error. That's totally normal. Maybe increase the margins for a clean, minimal look, or shrink them if you want your content to fill the space more boldly. Play around until you're happy with how it sits. And that's it. Just like that, you've modified the strip's width margin to better suit your site. Little adjustments like these can make a huge difference in how professional and inviting your website feels. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into issues while editing, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future web design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.